welcome back to Blackbird Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you the Remesh Modifier in Blender to make your scene look Minecraft-like, all blocky and stuff. So, just gonna delete the default cube and Shift A and add in a UV sphere, just to demonstrate. And I'm going to go to the modifier properties. I'm going to add a modifier and remesh. And remesh just basically like changes the mesh, I guess. It remeshes it. And I can change the voxel size. If I decrease this, the more resolution I'll have. Also, you don't want to decrease this too much or else Blender will crash and it'll go crazy. Bad things will happen. I'm going to change it to blocks. And then there's a minecrafty look. That's very cool. So, can increase the off-tree depth, how many blocks there are, and I wouldn't increase this more than 8 or it'll get really laggy. And yeah, I had to stop recording in the last video because it got way too laggy. Also, the scale. You can increase and decrease the scale. Of course, and I don't really use threshold. I don't even know what it does really. You can also turn on smooth shading, which doesn't look good at all, in my opinion. So I'm gonna delete this and then try to make a Minecraft looking landscape. I'm gonna click on grid, add grid, and I'm gonna put the subdivisions at like 100 and 100, maybe even 1,000. Actually, that kind of lagged out when I was typing that, so I'm gonna put it back to 100. And that definitely looks good. It's definitely good enough. So you could just click on a point and then click on, or actually just press O to turn on proportional editing. And basically what proportional editing does, you press G and move around one of these vertices. Proportional editing, everything within this circle that you can change with the scroll wheel, increase and decrease the size of the circle with the scroll wheel. Everything within the circle gets changed as well, or gets moved around. And you can also scale it. Everything will get changed and rotate it. And actually, I'm just gonna rotate it. Rotate around some of these things. And move them up and around. Okay, great. That is looking good. If I go to add modifier and remesh, and then change it to blocks, I increase the off-tree depth to 8 or 9. Or maybe even 10. I don't usually go past 9, so might lag out. Actually didn't. That's a surprise. Great. I'm thinking of a way to maybe smooth shading. Oh, that looks terrible. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe if I try to actually make a, I just delete this and then make out a cube. and add a icosphere. Actually, delete the cube. Scale up the icosphere. Move it up. I'm gonna try to make a tree. So I'm gonna go to add modifier and decimate actually, and then decrease the ratio. This is basically the number of faces. Down here you can see the face count. It decreases the face count if you drag it down, and it increases if you drag it up. Well, actually it doesn't increase, it just keeps it at what it was before. And you can change this to like unsubdivide or from what it does, but yeah. Cool. I'm gonna keep it at like that for now, and then just duplicate it again. Just to make it tree-ish look. That looks good for now. Select all these and change all the ratios for all these. Okay. Great. Right now. Needs to be decreased a little. Okay, Shift A, and then I'm gonna add a cube, and then I'm gonna scale it, and then press 7 to go into top view, and move it, and then move this up, and turn off proportional editing, I guess. So just scale it on the Z again. And maybe extrude this down and scale it. To make the roots. Okay, now select everything and press Ctrl J. Or actually first apply all the decimate modifiers. And the last one. Okay, great. Now Ctrl A. Not Control A, just A, and then click select all, and then deselect the camera and the light, and then press Control J. Or actually first select the trunk and then press Control J, and go to add modifier, remesh, and this looks really weird. You don't change it to blocks. I'm gonna increase this. And there you have a tree. Kind of. Wait. Just increased it to... Oh, okay. I increased it to 9. I didn't realize. Thought it might crash or something. Like it often does. But, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.